This is Black Synth Style, where we let AI guide us and give us a glimpse into the future of black menswear. Styling muscle men for the spa involves a focus on relaxation, comfort, and understated elegance. The goal is to create a look that complements their physique while embracing the serene, luxurious atmosphere of the spa. Start with the essential spa attire, a plush robe. Choose a robe made from high-quality, soft materials like Egyptian cotton or bamboo for maximum comfort and breathability. A well-fitted robe that ties neatly at the waist will accentuate their muscular frame without being restrictive. Opt for classic neutral colors, such as white, beige, or gray, to maintain a sophisticated and calming appearance. Under the robe, a comfortable, well-fitting pair of spa shorts or lounge pants is ideal. These should be made from lightweight, breathable fabrics like cotton or modal, providing ease of movement and comfort. The fit should be snug enough to highlight their physique, but loose enough to ensure relaxation. Solid colors or subtle patterns work best, maintaining a clean and refined look. Accessories should be minimal but thoughtful. A high-quality absorbent towel is essential for use in steam rooms, saunas, or after treatments. Choose a large, plush towel in a coordinating color with the robe. Additionally, a stylish, waterproof watch can be both functional and add a touch of sophistication. Personal grooming is crucial for a polished spa look. Encourage well-groomed hair, whether kept short or styled neatly. A clean-shaven or well-maintained beard enhances the overall appearance. Skincare is also important. Ensuring the skin is hydrated and well cared for will reflect the spa's emphasis on wellness and relaxation. Hydration is key in the spa environment, so carrying a sleek, reusable water bottle is practical and stylish. Choose a design that is easy to handle and complements the overall aesthetic. Confidence and a relaxed demeanor are essential. Muscle men should embrace their natural physique and carry themselves with ease, enhancing their presence in the spa. A calm and self-assured attitude aligns perfectly with the tranquil spa environment. In summary, styling muscle men for the spa involves selecting a high-quality robe, comfortable spa shorts or lounge pants, practical slippers, and minimal accessories. Emphasizing personal grooming and hydration, along with a relaxed and confident attitude, ensures they look and feel their best while enjoying the serene spa experience. Subscribe for more from Black Synth Style and click the link in the bio for a surprise.